In this tutorial, I'll show you how to isolate and animate an object using the Object Mask tool in After Effects. First, add the video to the timeline. Next, select the Object Mask tool from the top menu and double-click on the video layer. This will open it in a separate layer window, as you can see. Now, hover the cursor over the object you want to isolate. You'll notice its color changes. To confirm the selection, simply left-click. Before tracking anything, let's head over to the Effect Controls panel. If your object has motion blur, make sure to check the box for Use Motion Blur to get the best possible results. Next, press the spacebar on your keyboard to start tracking the object. Once the tracking is complete, we need to duplicate the video layer by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+D. After that, select the bottom video layer and delete the effect from it. This will reveal the full video. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for Fill and apply it to the top video layer we isolated earlier. Over in the Effect Controls, choose your preferred color. I'm going to go with blue. Then, lower the opacity so the underlying object shows through. If you want to expand the selection, you can increase the shift edge and adjust the contrast until you get the exact look you want. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.